Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 5a and let me show you how to enter the Fastboot mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key right here. Let's choose power off and tap power off again just to confirm the whole operation. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards let's use the following combination of keys: power key and volume down. Let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds. Keep holding both keys and release them as soon as Fastboot mode pops up. So this is the Xiaomi Fastboot mode. Now you can use your mode, you can connect your device to a PC and have some Fastboot commands. But if you would like to simply quit this mode, let's simply press power key right here. But the most important part is to keep holding power key for a long time to boot your device in a normal mode. As you can see, the device goes black. Now the Mi logo pops up, the device is rebooting into a normal mode, so we have to wait a couple of seconds. As you can see, the home screen pops up, so your device is in normal mode. Now you can use your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.